Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your online teacher Ishfaqsamoon. This lecture is from book Social and Political Life, third for class 8. We are dealing with unit 2. Major topic is Parliament and the making of laws. And subtopic is why do we need Parliament? You can contact me at my email ID and my cell number that is written on the board that is visible here. And the major topic, as we discussed earlier, is Parliament and the making of laws. It is for students of class 8 affiliated to Jammu and Kashmir Board of School Education and Central Board of School Education. Aims and objectives. The main aim and objective of teaching this topic in class 8 is to make the students aware of the democratic and parliamentary system in the country. Students should be able to understand the government affairs well so that they too can examine the political system of country and style of government in the country. Let's get started. Lecture first. Why do we need a parliament? Now there are list of subtopics. Number first is parliament. Second is elections. Third is functions of parliament. In functions of parliament, the major functions is number one, to select national government, and second is to control, guide and inform the government. Now what is parliament? Parliament is a legislative body of government in a democratic system. It makes laws to run the country as well as oversee the functioning of various institutions. Parliament in India consists of President, the Rajya Sabah, it is Council of States, and the Lok Sabha, House of Representatives. The Parliament has immense powers because of it, the representative of the people. Now, what are elections and functions of Parliament? Elections. India has a parliamentary system of government with power distributed between the central government and the states. An election is a decision-making process by which people of country choose their representatives to hold public office. Usually, parliament elections are held after 5 years since 1951, when first general elections of India were held. Functions of parliaments. Once elections to the parliament have taken place, the parliament needs to perform the following functions. Number one, to select the national government, and number two, to control, guide and inform the government. First, to select the national government. After the Lok Sabha elections, a list is prepared showing how many member parliaments belong to each party. Since there are 545 members, out of which 543 are elected through elections and 2 Anglo-Indian members are nominated in the Lok Sabha. The political party which has the majority of member parliaments will form the national government. That is half plus 1, almost 275 members. That is majority party. Second, to control, guide and inform the government. The parliament, while in session, begins with a question hour. The question hour is an important mechanism through which member parliaments can elicit information about the working of the government. This is a very important way through which the parliament controls the government. By asking questions, the government is alerted to its shortcomings and also comes to know the opinion of the people through their representatives in the parliament. The opposition parties play a critical role in the healthy functioning of a democracy. They highlight drawbacks in various policies and programs of the government and mobilize popular support for their own policies. The government gets valuable feedback and is kept on its toes by the questions asked by the member parliaments. In addition, in all matters dealing with finances, the parliament approval is crucial for the government. This is one of the several ways in which the parliament controls, guides, and informs the government. The member parliaments, as representatives of the people, have a central role in controlling, guiding, and informing parliament. And this is a key aspect of the functioning of Indian democracy. Now, there is assessment section. There are two types of questions: multiple choice questions and fill in the blanks. Then there is learning outcome. Multiple choice questions are number one is Parliament of India consists of A, B, and C, legislative, executive, judiciary, and police. B, President, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabah. C, media, MPs, Prime Minister, or President. You have to choose from A, B, or C. Correct answer from these three options available with you. Second is how many members are in the Indian Parliament? 410, 420, 435, 455. Answer will be A, B, C, or D. You have to choose the correct answer. Now, another portion is fill in the blanks. Political parties which has the dash of MPs will form the national government. Second, the opposition parties play a dash role in the healthy functioning of dash. Parliament is a dash body of government in democratic system. You have to fill in the blank appropriate answers in these spaces. So what is learning outcome? Well, students, once you understand this topic, you will be able to assess yourself that how much you know about parliament and the lawmaking process. Students, you will also realize that in democracy, the people are given right to choose their representative government. They elect their representatives through their vote, who go to parliament and work according to the aspirations of the people. Now, students, there are different these cartoons and pictures. You can understand different ideas through these cartoons. Number one is democracy. It's showing democratic system. Second is people are in strong parts on polling booths to cast their votes. Third is these member parliaments and leaders. They are on campaign. Fourth, there is a picture of parliament, and fifth is that it is showing that the phase we are going on presently, COVID, and this is a big challenge all over the world, including India. So this is all about these topics. Thanks, your online teacher Ishfaqsamoonvlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can call me on my WhatsApp number 788942572 or email on samoonishfaqsamoonvlogs@gmail.com. We'll meet in next lecture. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz.